Hi everybody, and welcome to this mini lesson about speculation. So today we're going to practice speaking about things when we don't have all of the information available to us. Right? So let's get started. So what can you say about the man in the picture here, right? This man that we see in the picture. And you may be thinking to yourself, well, not very much, right? I can't say very much about him because he's looking away from us, and I don't see his face, and I've never met him, so nothing, right? But today we're going to look at some ways that you can talk about something or someone when you don't really have all of the information. So the first way you can do that is by using this word must, right? The word must. We use it when we are confident that something is true based on the evidence that we see. Right? So in this case, we see a man and we see him walking and we see him in the forest. We see him walking in the maybe going hiking. And so we can say he must be an adventurous person, right? He must be an adventurous person. And notice that be is in the infinitive here. So I don't know him personally, right? I cannot say he is an adventurous person because I don't know him. But I can say, based on the evidence, he must be an adventurous person. Now, we can do the opposite. If we're very confident that something is not true, then we don't use the word mustn't, right? That would seem natural, right? Must and mustn't. But no, we use the word can't, right? So we say must if we're confident that something is true, and can't if we're confident that something is not true. And that can look like this right here. We could say, for example, based on this picture, he can't be going to the supermarket. There's no way, right? He's in the forest. He's hiking. There's no way he can't be going to the supermarket, right? And we use this expression, he can't be, to show that I am using the evidence that I see to express this, or to come to this conclusion. Okay? So we're very confident, we say must. We're very confident that it's not true, we say can't. But what about if it's somewhere in between? What if I'm just making a guess? Right? If in that case, we can use these three words. We can use the words may, might, and could. May, might, and could. And we use these when something is possible or probable, right? So we're just making an assumption. We're making a guess based on the evidence. So some examples could be like this. We could say he might be going somewhere to think, right? Maybe he's trying to get away from the city and go somewhere to think, right? He might be doing that. We could say he could want to escape from society, right? Maybe he wants to get out into the countryside for the day. He could want to escape from society, like I'm sure we all do from time to time. And we can say he may go hiking every weekend, right? I don't know how often he goes. He may go hiking every weekend. So we have these three words that we can use to show that something is possible or probable. Right. Good. So those are the words we can use. We can use must if we're very confident. We can use can't if we're very confident of a negative. And we can use might, could, and may if we don't really know and we're just making a guess. So here's what I want you to do, because these lessons need to be interactive. I want you to now, in the comments of this video, tell us what you can say about one of these two pictures. Okay, so we have in the first picture, we have a girl on the beach. What can you say about her using our terms must, may, might, could, and can't? All right, or you can talk about these children and say what they might be looking at or why they could be so happy. Right, so I want you to use these terms and share with us what you can say about the different pictures. All right, that's it. That's your assignment for this mini lesson.